Hello and welcome to another video series. So in our previous video, we discussed about the product styling and specifically we discussed about the product grid and the product card. So today we're going to discuss about the product card information. So let's click on it. So you can see here in product card information, you can control the whole contents from here that will show that is you can see on the product card. First of all, we can just come up to the product card content. This is the product card content. The content you can see here, this is the product card content. So you can set it in single column or it's in single column or you can set it in double column. That's cool. So let's come down further. This is the vendor. You can turn the toggle on and you can see the rich landing bundle. So this is the vendor. It's basically coming from here. You can control and set your vendor from here, right? And also you can set the vendor alignment. You can set it on the right. Right now it's on the right side. You can set in the center. We can set on the here, right? So let's do it here and look it off. So let's comes down to the product title. So product title is also coming from, this is that product title from the uh, product page here, right? So you can also set the alignment of the product title from here, right? The cool thing is about the rich landing bundle is like you can style it. Also you can style the vendor, you can style the product title. So to enable it, let's enable it. It's vendor. So let's choose the vendor. So let's come down. You can see the product vendor. So you can change the color of the banner. Like for example, I choose it blue. So this is very cool part about the Rich Landing Bundle. So the font family is coming from the theme. So you can change it from here and you can set the text transform. You can set uppercase, you can set the lowercase and you can capitalize it. So let's do it. So let's further comes down. You can see the product vendor. We can set the size, weight, and spacing from here. For example, we can say let's do it. So you can set it from here, and you can set the font weight. You can set the letter spacing, and so on. Right. So same thing we can do for the title. Let's come down. You can see here. This is for title. You can set the background color for the title. Um, you can set the also set the font family. It's coming from theme. You can choose your font from here. Also, you can uh, use uppercase here. You can lowercase. Anything you can do here. Also, you can set the line height. It's changing, and you can set the max lines as well. You can set the title in max line. For example, your title is lengthy and you want to uh, place it in two lines. For example, you can see if I do it one, so you can see the dot. So it's showing the maximum one lines, then it is showing dot dot dot, and you can see same here, right? So let's come down to the title. You can set the font weight from here for the title. You can set the font size and font weight. This is the font weight here, right? And you can set the letter spacing and bottom, a margin bottom as well. Let's see here. Let's understand the shop description. So let's toggle on and it's not showing here because it's not being edited from the meta field. So to edit from the meta field, you can see the description here. So it's basically reads the data from the meta field, right? So to create a short description, we have to create the meta field. So for that, we have to go to the setting. and you can see the meta fields and meta objects. Simply click here, go to the products and add the definition. So for here, we're creating a short description, and we have to change the custom dot short description, and we have to copy this from here. You can see rbl dot bundle. Simply copy it. Let's go back, click here, and just change the custom. And there must no space here. Yep, and one and multi-text line, because you can see here it's mentioned here multi-text line here. So multi-text line and save it. Now let's check if the method wheel is created or not. Click here, go to the product. So let's come down. You can see here the meta field is now created. So we have to add a description. For example, I will add, for example, best best moisturizer for your skin. For your skin. Yep. So let's save it and go to the product and let's refresh it. Come, yeah, you can see here the meta field has been created now. It's now the description is shown here. Same for V8 for the another product, just to make you understand better. So let's go to the bake and let's go to this product and let's add a short description here. Let's go save it and let's go back here and refresh it. That's cool. So the description is here. That's cool. Let's get back to the customizer. It must be shown here. You can see it's showing here. If your description is not showing, you just have to simply give it a refresh and your product will be description will be shown here. So now see the short description styling. So for the color, you can choose any color you want, and that this means this font family is coming from theme. You can change it, and if you want to add a transition like text transform, you can add uppercase, you can lowercase, you can capitalize it. So none. So this is the line height for the short description, and this is the max line. So max line means you're limiting the short description in maximum lines. For example, this is set 3. If I do it 1, it means I'm limiting the short description in one line, and that will show it dot dot dot, right? So let's come down short description. We can change the font size of the short description. We can just change the font weight. We can add the spacing, and we can do the margin bottom.
That's it from the ape style. So let me tell you one more thing. We can also synchronize metafield data with the rich landing bundle app through app setting. So let me walk you through it. You have to go into setting, and then you can see here we can synchronize the product meta field. So we have toggle it on. So let's switch it off, save it, and go back here, refresh it. The data from meta field should not show here. So you can see the product data is not showing here. Let's go back and turn it on and come back and we'll show it again. So you can see it's showing again. Now, if you want to delete the meta field, so you have to simply go to the settings. You have to go to the meta field. You have to go to the product. So you can see here the create meta field. Simply click on it and more action. Delete the definition. So here you have two choices. You can create the field only. You can also delete the field with its value. So yeah, you can delete it from here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.